is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is my trade. One loss and a win. um, so going into the day, I was very bullish. You know what? We're actually gonna do this on FX Replay. This is a brand new account, though. Don't worry. I swear I backtest. I don't know why it says I have one loss in this shit. These were both wins. Oh, one break even. Fuck. They call that losses on here. YouTube recap. And then Q. I'm just going to do the ES part here. Today. Today. Okay. So, why do we take this trade? Coming into the market, there's two things. So we really gotta fucking lock in here. What, like, put me in the fucking session. Go to next New York session. Valid. Alright. Why did we take this trade today? For one thing. What the fuck is this? Next New York session. Holy shit. Is it Tuesday, bro? It's Wednesday, Sunyan. Broder. Okay, I guess we can't do that. Alright, my bad, ladies and gentlemen. So, why did we take this trade? Coming into the market on the weekly, we filled this gap. Already he's telling me price wants to go higher. In the earlier of the day, we have our 4 hour. Where's our 4 hour? Why am I tweaking? Here it is. 4 hour unmitigated. There it is. You guys can see it's already marked out. We're going to turn drawings back off. Then, not really much to tell you guys about the 1 hour. We're not trading out of anything. Nothing. What we are is here at 9:30. Open. We form this 30 minute. What do I want to see? As you can see by my drawings. Like, this shit's so ugly. I wanted to see a Judas into here. I wanted to see true manipulation into the 30 minute and trade higher, taking out our unmitigated 4 hour. Because why? We are overall bullish because of the weekly. And that's just a good setup I want to see with strong targets. 3 strong GOLs. Internal buy side, equal highs. 4 hour mitigated. That is a beautiful trade. I want to take that. Then, price opens. We tap into this 30 minute. Beautiful. That is exactly what I want to see. Then, we have a 30 second in here. I take the 30 second. I get my edge, my break even. We get stopped. Why did price stop us out is the big question. There might be some other things going into play. But what it really is price at the time did not have true manipulation into the... Let me fucking find 9:30. We did not have true manipulation into the 4 hour. Or into the 4 hour. This was the 4 hour. We didn't actually go down there. We were also making very weak bullish candles on ES. This was a trade. If you were looking at ES, you should not have taken this. I overlooked ES on this. This is my problem with the trade. I overlooked ES. We weren't in the 4 hour. We weren't in the 4 hour. We weren't in the 30 minute. And very weak bullish candles. Then price stops us out. We travel lower. There was a trade here. Why didn't I not take this? If this was a sponsored 5 minute, yeah, I would have taken this. I just didn't really like this. I feel like my stop wasn't overly protected. And after I took a loss here, I wanted to kind of wait a little bit. This was your entry on this 1 minute. I just felt like my stop wasn't protected. I wasn't confident in it. I wasn't convicted. If this was sponsored, yes, I would be taking that 10 out of 10 times. But it's not sponsored. If price, what I said in my Discord is I wanted price to trade up with a Judas, go down, create a sponsored 5 minute, then you guys could catch cons. Cons to what? To your relative equal lows and your London lows. Didn't happen. Why? Because we edged the 4 hour. I'm not really, I'm not convicted in that. Anyways, price then comes lower. And this is what I was really seeing. I actually got off the charts at the time. I was looking at some other things. And then Alex, very good trader, he says, look at all the LRL we're developing. He was looking for a trade. I looked. I completely agreed with him. We also had a 15 minute that was about to form. Everything looked great. So when price forms this 3 minute, I took my entry, stop at the lows, targeting all this low resistance liquidity. Also, at our entry, this 15 minute was formed. So We took one Judas and one mech today. This mech did play out. You were kind of caught in a little bit of chop to the downside. Wasn't really a beautiful position to be in. And then price traded higher, taking out the 15-minute, taking out the LRL. If you did get fried here, I know you might have had your stop loss here. It's not a bad idea. But yeah, you know, I took this trade just because of all the LRL and this unmitigated 15-minute after we sweep out London. So, liquidity sweep, disrespecting bearish, and we're targeting bullish. This is a very nice mech, a very nice agreed upon DOL. If we are still bearish, price will want to rebalance this 15-minute. Agreed upon DOL with that inversion is very nice. Why is this fucking going off? What is everyone doing here? Oh, it's just you guys. But yeah, that's the trade. You know, one loss, one win. I think I'm down like $50. I'm calling it a break-even day on the YouTube. This is a longer recap. But yeah, like overall today there was opportunities. This Judas wasn't horrible. If you faded it, good for you. This trade, you could have taken it. Definitely wasn't a A+ setup. This trade was better than this trade. You could ask anybody. And yeah, overall, not a bad day. Protect your capital. It is fake FOMC, so if you faded the full day, I mean, you're kind of a gooner, but like again, this is pretty nice. This is a pretty nice price action. Besides right here when we went down a little more, stopping lots of you guys out. That just wasn't really the nicest thing. But anyways, I'll see you guys around. Sorry, my hair looks like a fucking chota. And yeah, good luck, everyone.